Brandy's on her way. Brandy's on her way. She's dancing her way, and look, here she comes. Oh, yeah, she's dancing. You're not showing her dancing. Yeah, there you go. That was the cue to say, show her dancing.
Our guests must think we're so weird because they can't hear the music. We're not crazy. We promise. We promise.
But we do dance through life.
We do.
Yeah.
Why not?
It's the way to go.
Yes.
Good morning.
Morning.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Oh my gosh, it smells good out
here. This is amazing. Yeah, what a beautiful setup that you have here. Tell us all about your restaurant.
We're Kitchen 4140 out on Marina Boulevard. We're more or less a farm to table, local. Have our own gardens going. Simple philosophy, we just keep food real.
Keep it real.
Yeah.
Keep it simple, keep it real, keep it local.
And it looks like the portions are pretty substantial, so come hungry. Yes,
well,
absolutely.
We've got a 48-ounce ribeye over here going.
Can we just talk about this real quickly? What do we have going here, my friend?
This is our sandwich.
What's this?
This is our 48-ounce bone-in ribeye. It's seared in duck fat.
That is 48 ounces?
Yep.
That's, if my math is right, 3 pounds?
He's pretty good at math.
3 pounds.
I like that.
Of meat.
Yep.
Holy cow.
That's
amazing.
Yeah, and basically, we just want you to bring your appetite.
Yeah, bring your appetite and then bring your doggy bag, too.
Dan and I were talking a few moments ago. Farm to table, it's something you're hearing a lot these days. Explain to our viewers exactly what that means.
So many of the local chefs in San Diego right now really desperately trying hard to work with our local farmers. Keep things local. It's farm to table. Instead of paying for everything to come across state, cross country, sitting on back of trucks for days or hours. I'd say a good 90% of our local chefs right now are actually at the farms.
There you go. Why don't we show some cooking here? We've seen your face long enough. You're a handsome guy, but okay. Yeah, so keep going. I'm sorry, I'm helping.
So we're really getting more and more involved with the farmers, understanding where our food is coming from, our culture, the whole 9 yards. Instead of just slopping food on a plate now, it's a lot of chefs being involved in what's going on out there.
And it's beautiful. You can trace the origins of everything we're eating.
Oh, you can trace all the origins. You want to know where your fish comes from, talk to Tommy Gomez down at Catalina Offshore.
Yeah.
I mean, they stamp the fish. They know what boat that was brought in. They know everything.
Yeah, exactly.
How long the fish was in the water.
We were talking about some of your dishes earlier, and I mentioned these red velvet waffles.
Those are red velvet.
Yes. Can you tell us more about these guys?
How did you come up with that?
Oh, it was just fun. We like putting a little bit of a twist on everything. So these are our red velvet waffles. It's got a cream cheese frosting on it, and then a crispy duck confit. It's basically a play on chicken and waffles.
Chicken and waffles, but you using the quacker.
Exactly.
Instead of the cluck cluck, you're using the quack quack.
And what is that you're making there? That looks like a nice fall dish.
This is our filet steak hash. It has Brussels sprouts, heirloom carrots, broccoli barb, potatoes. Again, most of the stuff comes right out of our garden. So it's very clean.
You serve this as one big huge...
Oh yeah, this is going to go on a plate with a couple poached eggs right there. Avocado creme fraiche across the top.
Oh, baby.
Can't go wrong.
Tell everyone where you're located.
We are located 4140 Marina Boulevard. It's right in the name, Kitchen 4140. So it's
easy to remember.
It is.
Yep.
It's in a little industrial area, so it's kind of by the Costco off of Marina Boulevard.
Okay. Yeah. And tell us about some of these other dishes that you have, and what's in here?
This is our house-made sangria. We have sangria, wine, beer. We have really nice mimosas for brunch. This one is our salad niçoise. And then we also have the smoked salmon salad. We have all sorts of fresh salmons featuring, we just got these really cool tower gardens installed. So we're getting a lot of our lettuces and herbs and everything from the tower gardens.
What does that mean, tower garden?
Tower.
Tower gardens.
Oh, tower.
They hold 48 plants per garden, per tower.
Like stacking them.
Exactly. It's hydroponic, pH balance in the water, no soil. So they grow
strictly hydroponic.
Yep.
That is so cool. What's he making down there, Dan?
Well, he's making one of the largest steaks I've ever seen in my entire life. And we will talk more about this coming up in a second because he's also doing some nice garden veggies.
Oh, veggies.
To go along with it. I don't know if you saw this sandwich while we take a break, but if you like beef, I think we should go over to the tailgate party right now. We're ready for tailgating. We'll see you back here in a minute.